Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. This video is designed to teach the end user about the setup mode of the Atosa Combi Oven. Press the switch to the on position. The screen will then turn on, and now we are in the operations mode. From this page, we will select the setup icon to enter the menu. The setup menu is used to check consumption and other oven information. Now you'll see the display of 6 setup options. Activity history. By selecting this icon, you can choose the activity history you want to check for a certain period of time. You can also delete activity history as well. Diagnostics. Here you can check the working order of the oven's components, the door, open or close, core probe temperature, voltage, and frequency. Note, when there is a red point warning, do not repair the oven yourself. Disconnect the oven from water, gas, or electricity supply and contact the manufacturer authorized service center for help. For manufacturer's information, refer to your manual or go on to our website at atosausa.com. Consumption. Here you can check the electricity consumption, water consumption, and working time. This is good information for a service tech in the event your unit has issues. This data is stored from the unit's first use. HACCP data. HACCP is a safety system that analyzes the critical hazardous control points in cooking. Oven settings. The oven settings include language, date and time, temperature setting, Wi-Fi, product, model, serial number, and other information. Not all information is changeable. The data is good for your service agent as well. Service. The service function is mainly used to check faults and errors and problems and for maintenance. This function is exclusively reserved for technicians. If during operation faults occur, please contact the manufacturer or authorized service center for assistance at the website atosausa.com.